Welcome back to my channel, your ultimate destination for discovering a better way of life. Get ready for an exciting treat today. Imagine making money while you're on vacation, relaxing at home, or enjoying a peaceful moment at a cozy, secluded coffee shop. Today I'll show you how to turn those quiet moments into profitable opportunities, effortlessly generating income while you brainstorm and research your next big idea. Let's dive in. I know you have heard everywhere you look. ChatGPT. 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 Well, how would you like to learn how to make money using ChatGPT? Well, take a seat, look, listen, and learn just how you can do that from the ChatGPT Millionaire book. Hey fam, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and drop a comment below. Plus, scan the QR code on your screen to get started with ChatGPT today. Trust me, you'll be using it in ways you never imagined. Let's get this going. Welcome to your ultimate guide on how to make money quickly and easily with ChatGPT. Are you ready to unlock the secrets to financial freedom? Let's dive into the ChatGPT Millionaire, the simplest, most effective guide to creating passive income with the power of AI, updated for GPT-4. There are tons of ChatGPT guides out there, but let me tell you, the ChatGPT Millionaire is my absolute favorite. It's really helped me expand my ideas and content. So go ahead and scan the QR code on the screen to pick your perfect guide. You won't regret it. Nonetheless, the ChatGPT Millionaire is a game changer. Imagine creating passive income streams in just minutes, impressing your clients with high-quality work finished in record time, and reclaiming your valuable time to focus on what truly matters. Sounds amazing, right? Here's how this book will help you achieve all of that and more. Let's listen to what Business Book Bites had to say.
Can you make better use of ChatGPT? This week's business book recommendation is for the ChatGPT Millionaire by Neil Dagger. This book is about how to use it effectively, what its various uses are, and how to write prompts to get better outcomes. So what did I learn? Well, I read this book because I wondered if I was using it right and if there was more. I learned to think of it like an assistant, not a substitute. Just like a real assistant, it's better equipped to assist you if you explain what you want in a way that it will understand, and if you're very, very specific. The author advocates using act as prompts to guide the AI around how to respond to you. So rather than how do you build a personal brand, first tell it you're a brand consultant that does X, Y, and Z, and you're very well versed in A, B, and C. Thinking about blah, blah, blah when answering the question, how do you build a personal brand? The book includes a bunch of prompt examples for you to play with. What did it make me think differently about? Should versus can. The book advocates that anyone can now make an online course or write a book on any subjects. The question is, should we? I don't think it would be morally right for me to write a book on, say, herbal remedies or copywriting. I don't know anything about those subjects, and I wouldn't be able to sensibly edit or quality check what comes out. I could do those things, but should I? And then there's the flip side. Maybe others will do the things that maybe they shouldn't do. Do we all need to be much more careful about the sources we trust? Will personal brands and credibility be even more important now? What actions did I take? Well, I'm using it way more. When I first started, I was sort of treating it like Google, just asking it questions, or sometimes asking it to sort of write some kind of text. But with the help of this book, I'm being much more strategic in how I ask the questions and in what order I ask it to dig down. What has the impact been? My ability has skyrocketed. A large part of my job is building spreadsheets and automations for other companies. I've never had a problem figuring out what we need to do or the human aspect of how do we make the finished article usable. But the speed of writing the code or creating the formulas or figuring out how to get the data out of the app in the right way, that always took the time. Now I have a massive shortcut and often ask it for better ways to write formulas or how do I get such and such out of HubSpot. Also writing, it is brilliant at summarising, rewording text, changing the tone of text, and I've used it for that quite a lot. If you're already using ChatGPT well, you probably don't need this book. But if you're looking for a quick read that will make you feel confident that you are up to speed on what it is and what to use it for, this is the one. It's really, really short. Some of the ideas are a bit get-rich-quick-y for me, but great inspiration for things you could be using it for, especially if you're someone that values being ethical. Interesting read. Have a wonderful day.
It's super easy to use, a breeze to understand, and practically effortless. Why wait until tomorrow? Start making money today. First, let's talk about passive income. With ChatGPT, you can set up income sources that keep giving with minimal effort. This book guides you through the exact steps to create these streams, providing clear copy and paste instructions. As you follow these steps, you'll be absolutely thrilled with the results. Sit back, relax, and enjoy life. Impress your customers by delivering high-quality projects extremely fast. Whether you're writing engaging articles, crafting compelling blog posts, or developing social media content, ChatGPT handles it all. You'll finish your clients' projects in minutes instead of days, leaving them amazed and wanting more. As we speed ahead, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for notifications. And hey, don't forget to share this with your friends. Let's keep the momentum going. But that's not all. You'll learn how to research, create, and promote engaging content effortlessly. From blog posts to video scripts and even online courses, ChatGPT makes content creation a breeze. You'll become a content powerhouse, dominating social media and SEO without breaking a sweat. It's never too late to get started. You know what they say, the early bird catches the worm. So grab yours now and plunge in. This is the right time to start. Businesses are spending hundreds, even thousands of dollars on services that you can provide effortlessly with ChatGPT. By leveraging this AI tool, you can undercut existing providers and capture a significant share of the market before it becomes saturated. Did you know thousands of books are being written using ChatGPT every day? And guess what? You and I can jump on that train too. It's not hard work at all because ChatGPT does most of the heavy lifting for us. Feeling a bit of brain fog? No worries. ChatGPT is here to clear it up in no time. Just scan the QR code on the screen or click the link in the description to get your ChatGPT guide today. Let's unlock those creative juices together. Inside the ChatGPT Millionaire, you'll find an introduction to ChatGPT and its advantages, step-by-step guidelines for effective usage, tips to skyrocket your productivity, methods to create passive income sources instantly, strategies to become a superhuman freelancer, techniques to create and repurpose social media content in seconds, guidance on researching and writing blog posts, scripts, software applications, online courses, and more. 150 plus powerful actors prompts to simplify your tasks. Check out this awesome free bonus. When you grab your copy of the book, you'll also get a downloadable ChatGPT prompt cheat sheet in PDF format. This cheat sheet is packed with over 150 powerful act-as prompts to supercharge your ChatGPT experience. Plus, as an added bonus, you'll receive a free copy of the Simple Guide to Wealth, a no-nonsense guide that breaks down how to build wealth without any fluff. Don't miss out on this incredible offer. I cannot express enough the free bonus. You'll get a downloadable ChatGPT prompt cheat sheet with 150% powerful act-as prompts and a free copy of Simple Guide to Wealth, a no-nonsense guide to building wealth. Don't wait another second. Hit that like button, smash the subscribe, and ring that bell for notifications. And hey, spread the word. Share this video with everyone you know. Trust me, this is the ultimate game changer you don't want to miss out on. Don't miss out on this opportunity to revolutionize your income and productivity. Purchase the ChatGPT Millionaire now and start your journey to financial freedom. Making money online has never been this easy. Get it while it's hot, folks. 2024 is your year. And it's not just for you, but for your loved ones too. Take charge and make things happen because trust me, things only get better when you put in the effort. Let's make this year the best one yet. Ready to take the plunge? Just click the link in the description or scan the QR code to grab your copy today. Get ready to feel empowered and confident that you've got what it takes to conquer anything. Your path to financial freedom starts here. But wait, there's more. Don't stop here. There are plenty of books out there to help you master ChatGPT like a pro. Scan the QR code or click the link in the description to explore a variety of titles. Personally, the ChatGPT Millionaire was the game changer for me, and it could be for you too. Let's dive in and level up together. Until next time, stay safe. Put God first and may all your dreams come true.